Hi, I'm Steve. I bet you're wondering what the f this is. It's the world's first portable tap house specially designed to give you access to unlimited varieties of craft beer right from your kitchen counter. Unlimited beer varieties? Sounds impossible. It was, up until Cynic. Think about it, the problem's really in the packaging. Cans and bottles are too expensive for most brewers to fill, limiting your selection, and growlers will give you access, but they have a shelf life about as long as a toddler's attention span. So we reinvented beer packaging altogether, giving you access to beer fresh from the tap right on your kitchen counter. I think you're a savvy beer drinker, so let me show you how that works. Fill our cartridge using this simple adapter from the holding tank, float from a keg, or right from any tap. Then insert the filled cartridge right into your Cynic dispenser and connect the two EeziClick valves.
Wow, Steve, that's really amazing.
It is amazing. Cynic is unlike any other beer dispenser on the market for three significant reasons. First, quality. Our proprietary cartridge technology is designed to lock in quality. Cynic keeps the beer tasting authentic and untouched, designed to perform under pressure. How much pressure? A lot of pressure. And secondly, convenience. With Cynic, you can enjoy your draft beer wherever there's an outlet, like at the pool hall, at work, grilling, or just in the kitchen. And most importantly, variety. Remember how I said you can fill these cartridges using this simple adapter? That means anyone can fill them, from home brewers all the way to the largest craft brewers. No expensive machinery, no kegging cost, no inconvenience. Just access to the world's freshest craft beer wherever and whenever you like. It's got the convenience of a Keurig coffee machine, volume of 2 growlers, spirit of a Falcon, and all the variety you've ever wanted.
We're really excited to introduce the Plexi drone. We have thought about the things that people don't really think about. How do you improve drone technology? How do you make it accessible to everyone? How do you inspire people to create using drone technology?
At DreamKey Robotics, we believe technology should be building bridges towards new levels of creativity and productivity rather than barriers, and the Plexi drone is one of those technologies.
A drone that you can snap together and take apart in less than 1 minute. And when you're done, you just put it into your hard shell backpack and take it anywhere that you want to go.
The Plexi Pack is something we designed in order to carry everything you need to capture all the great shots that you want and carry it with you everywhere you go. Anywhere you can go with a backpack, you can take the Plexi drone.
With the Plexi drone, you can carry more than just a camera. With very simple payload clips, you're able to just snap on whatever it is that you want to put on there. It's so simple. Another unique feature about the Plexi drone is that it has retractable landing gear.
You will no longer have any kind of junk in your shot. You never have to crop anything out at the bottom. It's just going to be clear, beautiful 360 view.
On the Plexi drone, GPS Follow Me is an amazing feature. All that you do is press Follow Me on your mobile device, on your phone or your tablet, and it's as easy as that.
It's going to be very, very easy to use. Everybody has a smartphone now. Great, now you just saved yourself $800 for a controller.
Aside from that, you're also able to control more than one of them at the same time.
You will definitely find no drones that you can control using our swarm technology. It's completely new, something you won't find anywhere else.
That means that you're able to view the same scene from multiple vantage points. You get the same shot with one user, but many drones.
Our drone is equipped with an ultrasonic sensor at the front of it. It'll flash its lights and give you an audio message to let you know that you're getting in its path.
You don't have to interpret blinking LED lights because it tells you in its own voice.
Initialization sequence completed. Are you even going to use me?
The Plexi drone is going to unleash new dimensions of creativity and productivity and take your camera to places that you never thought were possible.
In order for us to realize our dream, we need your support. Any support that you could give to us to bring the Plexi drone to market would be extremely valuable. Even just sharing our story with your friends. What we're here to do is to reimagine what drone technology means to all of us.
Plexi drone is ready.
In today's hectic world, it's getting increasingly difficult to remember what truly matters: the health of you and your loved ones. But now, someone can help. With his artificial intelligence, Pillow recognizes each and every member of your family and starts caring for them.
Clara, here are your cholesterol pills. I see you're running low. Shall I reorder them for you?
Thank you, Pillow. That'd be great.
Pillow is 100% secure, and his skills and functionalities will grow the more you use him, the more he gets to know you.
Here are your vitamins to go. Enjoy your training session, Liza.
Thank you, Pillow.
Since Pillow's always connected, he can answer all of your health-related questions.
Pillow, how many calories are in a celery stick?
6 calories, Clara. Celery is excellent for your health.
Great, I'll have a bunch then.
Aww. Good morning.
Pillow is simple to set up and makes the management of complex medication regimens very easy. He'll remind you, so you'll never miss a dose again.
Wait, John. It's Tuesday. Here's your blood pressure medication.
You're right. Thank you, Pillow.
And if you want, he'll notify your caretakers in case of an emergency, like when he forgot his heart medication.
Hey, Dad. I just got a message from Pillow. Everything okay?
Because, you see, Pillow's not just a member of the family, he's a true healthcare companion. And since he can sync with any wearable and wireless devices, Mark can share his combined health and wellness data through one secure, user-friendly platform where he receives fast and reliable feedback.
Goodbye, Doctor. Thank you, Pillow.
Because sometimes, all you need to stay healthy is a friendly, timely reminder. And that's exactly what Pillow will do for you.
Here at Bailey of Sheffield, we've been working on the cable bracelet for over 3 years now, and we hope you love it as much as we do. The cable bracelet is made from a 4mm marine-grade stainless steel cable and a beautiful patent-pending clasp exclusive to Bailey of Sheffield. Each component is precision machined and incorporates a unique laser-engraved serial number, so it'll always be traceable to you. Every cable bracelet is a unique expression of the wearer's identity. You can mix and match any combination to suit your individual style. Each color is achieved by applying a military-grade coating. Our colors add durability, and they're technically harder than the stainless steel itself. At Bailey of Sheffield, we believe boundaries are there to be pushed and limits stretched. We've tested the cable bracelet to destruction in labs at the University of Sheffield, and we can confidently say that the cable bracelet is as tough as it is beautiful. Coming from Sheffield, the city where stainless steel was discovered, there was really only one choice for the metal for our cable series of bracelets. But not all stainless steels are created equal. As well as being medically hypoallergenic, our marine-grade stainless steel is of the highest quality, giving corrosion resistance and durability, meaning our cable bracelet won't lose its shape or tarnish over time. Stainless steel jewelry is the perfect choice for everyday wear, as it doesn't lose its fine detail to nicks and scrapes. Our jewelry will withstand more than a lifetime of use, and we offer a more than a lifetime guarantee. The cable bracelet can be handed down from generation to generation, and we'll even refurbish it for free at regular intervals in its life. This is our first range of beads. We'll be adding others to enable you to create your own style. We've also developed and prototyped a unique pendant converter, allowing our beads to be worn on a necklace. We've designed the cable bracelet with the help of the super talented industrial and packaging design team at Sheffield Hallam University. The industrial designers have already helped us develop the patent-pending clasp, and they're currently working on prototypes for our next release of beads. We wanted the packaging to be as impressive as the bracelet itself. It was important to develop packaging that wouldn't be discarded and would beautifully store and display the cable bracelet when it's not being worn. Our final prototypes are gorgeous, and they're ready to go into full production. We've also developed exclusive Kickstarter packaging, only available to our backers. This is our studio workshop at Portland Works, the home of stainless steel. It's one of the last remaining purpose-built metal trades factories in the world. And this is where our jewelers and craftspeople will lovingly hand finish each and every piece and meticulously assemble each cable bracelet. We've tried to share with you some of the incredible journey we've been on to bring this project to life. With 3 years of design, development and prototyping, the cable bracelet is now nearly ready. All we need now is your generous backing and support. Please check out the amazing rewards we have to offer. Thanks for taking the time to watch our video, and we hope to see a Bailey of Sheffield cable bracelet on your wrist soon.
Imagine a device convenient enough to wear every day that gives you controllable and personal heat and helps you save on your heating bill. My name is Jason, and I've created Sola to give you control over your temperature. Sola is a wearable heating system. It uses dual temperature sensors and intelligent algorithms to understand your body and release just the right amount of heat. The polar vortex we experienced in 2014 motivated us to find new ways to stay warm. It started with a very simple prototype made from some scraps of fabric, which was later refined into a production sample. Sola was created to help people stay warm. It is the first wearable device that actually improves the way you feel. As your body cools, blood moves to your core. Sola will warm this up by 0.4 degrees, making you feel significantly warmer. Sola is made from the highest quality parts. It is made from premium laser-cut neoprene fabric. The case is made from sturdy, medical-grade silicone. It has built-in LEDs to show you exactly when Sola is releasing heat. Powered by a 2000 milliamp battery, Sola can provide heat for up to 3 to 4 hours. And it is perfectly safe. Sola has 3 layered protections to ensure there is never too much heat. We are really excited for all the different ways you can use Sola. At home to save on your heating bill, during your commute, at the office, when you run, on the slopes, or just to overcome your roommate's misguided belief that the thermostat should always be set to Yeti level cold. Right now, we are turning to you, Indiegogo, for help reaching our goal. This startup capital will be used for manufacturing, marketing, and distribution so we can bring smart and personal heat to everybody. We hope you join us and back our campaign. Thank you.